Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these soft Morocco parathas known as Msemen bread. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of warm water, 2 cups of wheat flour, which is approximately to 400 grams, a quarter cup of semolina flour, which is approximately to 100 grams, 1 tablespoon of sugar, optional, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and I have some oil mixed with ghee. And lastly, don't forget, you're also going to need 1 teaspoon of salt. Using a mixer or a kneading bowl, you're going to add all the dry ingredients. Start by adding the wheat flour, semolina flour, yeast, sugar, and salt, and mix all the dry ingredients very well. Lastly, you're going to pour some warm water. Pour a bit by a bit till everything is well combined until you get a dough. As you can see in the video, I've used approximately 3/4 cup. If you're going to use your hands, make sure you knead the dough till it's super soft. I'm going to knead the dough for approximately 5 minutes till my dough becomes super soft. After approximately 5 minutes, my dough is soft as you can see in the video, and I'm going to remove it out from the kneading bowl. I'm going to place the dough on a tray. Then I'm going to add a bit of oil mixed with ghee and mix everything well. Then afterwards, I'm going to divide the dough into 12 small doughs. After dividing my doughs into 12 doughs, I'm going to cover them and I'm going to place them aside for approximately 10 to 20 minutes so that the doughs can double size. After 10 to 20 minutes, my dough have double size as you can see in the video, and I'm going to make my Msemen bread. Take one dough at a time, sprinkle a bit of oil, and spread the Msemen bread using the tips of your fingers as you can see in the video. Each paratha you're going to use 2 doughs. Once you've spread them out, add some oil on top and attach them together to roll them out into a thin large circle. Once you have a thin large circle like this, you're going to sprinkle a bit of semolina flour and some oil and spread around, and then afterwards you're going to fold it into a square bread as you can see in the video step by step. When you're folding the paratha, keep on adding a bit of semolina and make sure the bread is not thick so that the bread can cook inside well. This is the first design, and I'm going to show you a second design on folding Msemen bread. Repeat the same process until you get here. Once you spread them out, add some oil on top and attach them together to roll them out into a large thin circle. Sprinkle some semolina flour and some oil and spread around and fold it together as you can see in the video. Once you fold it into 2, add some semolina and some oil and fold it once more and roll it into a circle shape as you can see in the video step by step. Continue with the same process until you're done. Take the 3 rounded doughs one at a time, sprinkle some oil on the working surface, and spread the dough into a medium thin circle. So basically when you're rolling out this dough, you only have to use some oil and roll it out using the tips of your fingers, as you can see in the video. And my paratha is ready, and it's high time to cook my paratha. Make sure your pan is a bit hot, then place your paratha and cook your paratha on both sides till slightly golden brown color. Once your paratha has this slightly golden brown color, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil. Then cook your paratha on both sides till your paratha has this amazing golden brown color. Once the paratha is nicely cooked on both sides and it has this amazing golden brown color, then your paratha is ready, and remove it from the pan and place it on a plate. When you're cooking the square bread paratha, reduce the heat so that the paratha can cook well inside. Then cook on both sides till slightly brown color. Once your paratha has this slightly golden brown color, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil. Then cook your paratha on both sides till your paratha has this amazing golden brown color. Once the paratha is nicely cooked on both sides and it has this amazing golden brown color, then your paratha is ready, and remove it from the pan and place it on a plate. Repeat the same process until you're done with the rest. And my soft layered flaky parathas are ready, as you can see in the video. They're nicely baked, very soft and very tasty. Serve your parathas or your Msemen bread with some stew, tea or anything that you like, and enjoy your parathas. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.